You can't do a good job if your job is all you do. Because when your entire life becomes consumed by clocking in, clocking out, and repeating the same cycle over and over, something starts to fade. Your creativity, your ambition, your freedom. The truth is, the best version of you isn't built inside a routine that leaves no room for growth. It's built in the moments where you challenge yourself, where you step outside of what's comfortable, where you create something bigger than just surviving. A job can pay your bills, but it can't always build your future. And if all your energy is going into making someone else's vision a reality, you have to ask yourself, when do you start building your own? That's the difference between working for income and working for impact. At TruPowur, we've created an opportunity for people who are ready to take control of their time, their income, and their future. An opportunity where your effort compounds, where your growth isn't capped, and where helping people save money on energy can turn into long-term residual income. This isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. It's about building something that gives you more life, not less. More flexibility, more ownership, more freedom, more purpose. Because success isn't just about what you earn, it's about what you're able to create. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a seven-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.